Hey, fourth grade. Welcome back to library. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020, and it is your last day of library for this rotation. So you will start your new specials again tomorrow, and then hopefully I'll see you back here next week for more library time. You guys have been doing an awesome job on your assignments. It's really great to see your hard work. I wish there was a little bit more participation, so if you haven't been doing the assignments, please try to work hard on that. It's nothing too complicated. It's just important stuff for you to be able to practice. And while I wish we could all be together in the library, we'll just have to make do with what we have. So today I wanted to do another virtual field trip. It's been a while since we've done a virtual field trip. And this one is going to be to the Georgia Aquarium. So some of you may have been there. I think it's in Atlanta. And it's a really beautiful aquarium. They have tons of different animals and fish. So here are your steps for the assignment. Remember, your first step is to always watch the lesson video, which is what you're doing right now. And then after you watch the video, you are going to choose an animal to research. And here's the website I'd like for you to go to. So as you can see, they have 229 animals to choose from. So they have some featured animals, and then they have just a ton of different ones. I'm going to choose the beluga whale because I think they're adorable. So here at the top, you'll see a little introduction. I'm going to read it for you. Beluga whales are small white whales that live in the cold waters throughout the Arctic and some subarctic locations. They can be found in a variety of habitats from deep offshore to shallow bays. Some even swim far up rivers. Belugas are social and form groups called pods. So that's kind of some interesting facts. And then you can see just a quick overview of their size, their diet, which is what they eat, the range that tells me where in the world they can be found, and then the habitat is kind of what their home is like. So deep offshore waters. And then there's a ton more information about beluga whales if you want to go more in detail. I'm not asking you to read all of this. For your assignment, you're really just going to be focusing on these facts up here and then choosing one fact from this information. So here could be your fact. Beluga whales use echolocation to find prey in murky water. And fun fact, bats also use echolocation. So once you've chosen your animal, this is the assignment I'd like for you to do. It's very similar to our virtual field trip to the San Diego Zoo. You're going to choose an animal, type the animal's name. So I would type beluga whale. And then the size, how big they are. Wow. 1,100 pounds to 2,500 pounds and 11 to 15 feet. So I don't need to write all of that. I can just summarize and write how much they weigh and how long they are. And then what do they eat? That would be their diet. Ooh. So I could just pick a couple of these things to list. Please do not just copy and paste. Please do not do this, copy paste, because that is plagiarizing. That's not your own words. So please try to summarize and put it in your own words. And then the next question is about the range, where they're found in the wild. You could write some of this information. And then finally the habitat. Where do they live? You can tell me about what their home is like. And then the last question is just a fun fact. So there's a ton, sorry, that keeps popping up. There's a ton of information here. So all you need to do is pick one of those facts. Like for example, their teeth are not replaced if they're lost. So once they lose a tooth, that's it. They don't get that tooth back. So there are a ton of facts here. Okay? I'm not asking you to read all this information. That's not necessary. Just look it over. If you want to read it all, that's awesome, but if not, that's fine. Just choose one fact. Females give birth every 2 to 4 years. Wow. So really cool stuff here. After you have picked your animal, the aquarium has these really fun webcams, and they have sea otters, jellyfish, puffin, beluga whale, sea lion. So that would be really fun for you to check out. We are in the Ocean Voyager webcam, so it looks like there's just a lot of different animals in here. I see some manta rays or stingrays. That looks like maybe a type of shark or a big fish. I'm not an expert, so. And then they have other cool stuff too. They have Aquanaut Adventure. These are the different, if you want to look at the different galleries that they have. Let's see what happens when I click on that one. Okay, so they show you what animals are in the gallery, and there's some really cool stuff on this website. So I encourage you, you could use the whole library time to just look around this website, check out the different animals. If you want to do the choice board when you're finished, you can click here and that will bring you to the choice board. It has the same choices as last time, so hopefully you'll find something that you like. And as always, if you have questions, you can join me on Zoom, or if you just want to say hi. So I hope that makes sense for you guys. Just a quick review. You're choosing an animal to research, completing the Google Doc, and then you can either explore the website or you can work on the choice board. All right, my friends, I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.